Sennheiser just sent me Momentum 4 wireless headphones. It's an active noise cancelling headphones, Bluetooth connectivity, and all that. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So here it is, open up, inspired by music. Okay. Well, this is the case. The case is no longer round. Let's see what's inside the case. Alright, this is a semi-hard case. Gives me the instruction to download the Smart Control app for these headphones. Comes with a 3.5mm cable. This is the airline adapter. Instruction manual. These are the headphones. USB cable to charge the headphone with a USB connector at the back here. These are the gesture control diagram, and again it reminds you again to download the Smart Control app from the App Store. So material wise, it is still as good as the previous Momentum series. Really plushy headband. Now it's just plain black, or it's also available in white plastic, but it does not feel like it's cheap plastic. This is good quality plastics. Huge left and right indicator, so you know you have to be blind not to be able to see this in such huge letters. Very plush, soft leather. Yeah, this fits really nicely in my ears. Well, around my ears. It feels good. It looks good. Yeah, feels very luxurious as well, actually. Nice. The only drawback of this design is that it does not have the industrial look typical of Sennheiser of yesteryears. As per the instruction, I went to the App Store, downloaded the Smart Control app, register it, and run it before I start my review. The Smart Control app offers access to all kinds of settings on the Momentum 4. So for example, it has pre-tuned bass boost, podcast sound mode, adaptive ANC, which all you can turn on and off depending on what your needs. Most interestingly, however, is the sound check feature. This feature allows me to personalize my audio on the Momentum 4 with the guidance of the best preset for the music I listen to. So I can have multiple mode for every genre, like I have rock, pop, dance, all kinds. All of these means nothing, obviously, if the sound quality is not there. And sure enough, whoop, there it is, the quality is there. Even without using any of the app features, the sound quality of these headphones is just stellar right off the box. Like fabulous imaging, the three-dimensionality are there, as expected from a Sennheiser product. No, it's not up to audiophile standards, but for $400 Canadian, it beats the performance of other headphones at the same price level. The ANC is not as good as a Sony or Bose in the lowest bass frequencies, but you only need the low frequency noise cancellation if you're flying overseas. Insanely, the battery life is close to 60 hours. I had to test this several times to make sure that my calculation is correct. This means I can fly from Toronto, Canada to Jakarta, Indonesia. That's a 24-hour flight, conduct my calibration business over there, and fly all the way back to Toronto again with a single charge. That's insane! All in all, this headphone is a welcome addition to the market. I mean, a highly rated ANC headphones with numerous useful features, without forgetting the importance of sound quality and a very long battery life. And it's only 400 Canadian or about 350 US. It's impressive. Share your thoughts about these headphones or other ANC headphones in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.